Andrew, is it done?
Maso, somebody come save Anthony, you know.
What?
Me don't know how anybody find out who I want. But I you turn up in a mass and shoot after me.
This is not good, Andrew. This is not good at all. Tell me, did you make all your calls from your other phone?
Yeah, Maso.
And you have not been talking to anyone outside of our circle, right?
Nobody at all.
I would send it to one of the hosts them to lay low, but if them ever have any idea that you're connected to me, they must check the host them.
I don't know ordinary police office, Maso. That boy I almost killed.
Alright, tell you what, you find somewhere to hide out and lay low until you hear from me, alright? And speak to no one, you understand?
Yes, Maso. I just one little issue.
What's that?
Pick up one on my shoulder still, you know?
You're ex-military, you'll figure it out.
Alright, no problem.
Oh, and Andrew, if for any reason you're caught, you know what to do, right?
Yeah, Master. We got that. No for them.
Good.
No girl in the other place there. It's a different location today.
Me know.
Oh, you know that?
One tracker there on your phone, Tony. So we know everywhere you go.
Up a Barbican side another day, right?
Yeah. I saw up this name.
I forget say you don't really know them side to that, cause Reds did have you very sheltered.
One thing with her though is like she interested for know things about me.
I wanna know why she's so interested to know about you. Yeah, and them no work.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Bubbles. Maso build a new apartment to put young females in her.
That sound like the fifth one. And she have about 4 more round the place.
Wow. She did ask me about my parents and who I live with.
What you tell her?
I tell her I say I don't know much about my parents. My granny grew me. I lose my granny when I 8. I tell her I say I in a one girl's home, get adopted by foster parents and them dead in a car crash. That I tell her.
You tell her say your name Tony and too?
No, I tell her I say Crystal my name.
Might as well you tell her your name too. Cause you tell her the whole life story of Tony Ann, not Krista. Tony Ann, me not tell you say you have to make up story. You can't tell it. Suppose you go start digging up now.
Sorry, Bubbles. I guess I never did that thing.
Sorry, Tony Ann. You can't be sorry about them things here. What me want you to do is start think on the spot. Think on your toes.
Well, me did ask her some questions for myself too. I asked her if she have any family of her own. And she said she did have a husband and she lost him before she even have kids. Me I wonder if that's why she want the young females them and she shouldn't have no pitney. You think of that?